the kids that race him don't like him. They want to beat him so bad.
Qualifying's over now. Track's really good. 7th overall right now, so we'll have a good gate pick. Really great weather. It's not hot, not cold. Man, this is exciting.
If you've got any like ego around, like he's not working hard, he's just been given everything, they just went to start for money. Like I hope none of his competitors think like that, because he's gonna fucking destroy those people that doubt him.
Fighting for Monster Energy Star Racing Yamaha, number 238.